Kuringana na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, murimu wa Ebola uri no hoti wa guikara mwiri-ini gatagati-ini ga thikũ 2 na thikũ 21 mbere ya ututhukite na kumenyeka, na uguo ni hari bata akenya kwimenyerera na gwitikira guthurimwo niguo kumeheria ugwati-ini. Ona gutuika bururi ndwandikithitie riboti ya ugwatania wa murimu ucio, kaunti 20 na makiria iria igainie na bururi wa Uganda iri ugwati-ini munene wa kwagagio ni murimu ucio, muingi riu ukiurio kwimenyerera niguo gwithema na maruru maguo.
Any person regardless of age, gender, race can actually progress to severe illness, and from the current outbreak, we can clearly see the case fatality rate is 64%, which means of all the people who've so far been identified, 64% of them have since died.
Imwe ya mitaratara iria igathikitwo ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni uthurimi wa murimu uyu ceceni-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini, akenya makiurio gwithema kundu kuri na andu aingi, kuiga uraihu wa makiria ma mita 1.5, kwihumba mask, kuiga utheru, muingi ukiurio gwitikira guthurimwo kuona dalili ingimenyeka tene mundu no arigitwo.
Set up mechanisms to be able to respond to any potential risk factors for EVD introduction. We have identified the high-risk areas. We intend to create more capacity at the points of entry for detection and how to screen for suspected EVD. How to manage contaminated materials is a whole gamut of interventions that will be able to safeguard public health.
Kuringana na murugamiriri wa motungata morigitani ndagitari Patrick Amoth, thirikari cia kaunti iri no hoti muiganu wa gutangikira thina uyu, kuona ceceni iria ciahuthikaga gutangikira murimu wa COVID-19 irio kuo ona gutuika ni athereti ati ruhonge rwa guthuthuria mirimu rwa KEMRI no ruo ruri no hoti wa gutabania ithimi cia murimu uyu.
Ebola can only be tested in specific labs that have a facility called negative pressure level 3 laboratory. So these are very specific and very specialized lab, because the negative pressure protects who is outside and the person from aerosols.
But healthcare workers are actually encouraged to be able to treat any presumptive cases as potentially highly infectious and ensure that they put in place the correct infection prevention control mechanisms.
Gukinyiria riu andu 19,000 nio mathurimitwo na kuoneka matiri ugwati-ini wa murimu ucio. Mundu urauma kana kuingira bururi-ini wa Kenya akiurio kuhura riboti kuri ministry ya ugima wa mwiri niguo riboti igemaine na ugima wake wa mwiri ikorwo ikirumirirwo. Andu 36 nio mandikithitio gukorwo na murimu uyu bururi-ini wa Uganda, na gatagati-ini ka acio andu 23 magekirwo mukonde gukorwo makuite kumana na maruru maguo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.